Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to take you along with me as I do some antiquing at a new to me store in Rogers, Minnesota. It's called the Antique Mall of Rogers. I have my mom and one of my kiddos with me today, and we are excited to check out this place and see what we can find. If you stick around to the very end of the video, I will share with you what I picked up while shopping today. So of course I did find a few things that I had to bring home with me. The first one being this adorable Valentine card. It's adorable on both sides. Look at that little bunny tail. So cute. And I love the fact that it stands up so nicely. It was only $2 and of course I could not pass it up. It's a little hard to see on camera here, but it's slightly flocked and has got a little shimmer to it, and I am just in love with this card. I also found another vintage photograph to add to my growing collection. When searching for vintage photographs, I always try to look for something that's unique in some way or has some element in the photo that draws me in. And this particular one, I was really drawn to her linen collar and her jewelry, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. And I also like the fact that it's got this white background that the silhouette just pops off of, which is unique to any of the other photographs that I have in my collection. And it was a fabulous price at only $1. And then I found another Christmas card to pick up. This one was $10. I'm pretty sure this isn't vintage because it has a Hallmark stamp on the back of it, but it has the look and I think it is fabulous. I am loving the bells, the horse and sleigh, the trees, everything about this I think is absolutely beautiful. And here's a little bonus item. This little handkerchief was tucked inside of the card and it is so pretty. I love the pink rose, the little rosebuds, and then look at the edging, the little scallop detailing is so pretty. So I am very happy to have this as well. It'll be a nice little something to use for my spring decor, I think. And finally today for $5 I found this silver plated cigarette lighter, which I think is so cool. I don't have anything else like this. It just seems so fancy and I don't know, old school. I just had to get it when I saw it. I didn't even think about it. I'm like, I'm totally getting this. But I really like the detailing on it. It is not in fabulous condition, but that is all right. I just think it is really cool, and this sucker is heavy, but I think it'll be a nice addition to my silver collection. So those are the items that I've picked up at the Rogers Antique Mall. A great place to shop, and I'm sure I will be going back there again sometime. I'd love to know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.